Hello viewers and welcome to Newsem TV. I am Mnangagwa Masenyama. President Emerson Mnangagwa has said agriculture is the only way Zimbabwe can get out of poverty and is a precondition for economic growth and prosperity. He said this Thursday while commissioning the John Deere mechanization facility at the Institute of Agricultural Engineering in Harare. The facility is for farm equipment, which includes 1,300 tractors, 80 combine harvesters, 200 disc harrows, 600 planters, 100 boom sprayers, and 100 trailers.
And accounts for 20% of the country's GDP, 33% of formal employment in our country, and provides 65% of raw materials requirement into agro-industries and accounts for 70% of rural livelihoods. As such, agriculture is a sure pathway out of poverty and a precondition for economic growth and prosperity of our country.
At least 5,000 farmers selected under the National Agricultural Recovery Plan are set to benefit from the scheme. Reporting for Newsem TV, I am Mnangagwa Masenyama. For this and more stories, visit our website www.newzimbabwe.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Newsem TV.